Welcome to a new video. So this is continuation to that video that what is, let's say, cheating or restoration or something in between. And maybe I start with this simple case. So here is my quite special not Abu, but record Ambassador 6000. It has broken handle. So would it be cheating if I would somehow be able to take this and put this to here? Of course, even easier would be to replace the whole handle, but if you know, or if you don't know, but if you can see, the handle on Record 6000 is different compared to the early 6000 models. So that part is beveled in the record reel, and in the early Ambassador it is not. But okay, so in theory this I could take this and put that here. That maybe could be said as a restoration. Then second thing, can you see that there is quite bad corrosion? What if I take the frame, neither have no serial, So what if I take the whole frame from almost time appropriate reel? Would that be cheating? Except maybe that is little bit bad example, because for some reason, I don't know, others can comment, but those record Ambassador reels I have different grade of red color than my any other Ambassador reels. Not sure. Well, this is again bad example, because I think that this is lighter than many, but if you see those in real life, it is much darker. So clearly the color is different. I don't know why this is so twisted. So has somebody tried to fix this and broken it at the same time? Maybe there has been play and then somebody has tried to fix it, and end result is this. Okay, so you might try to fix the handle, you might replace the frame, but if you just replace the whole right hand side plate, because that is also, it is basically same. And it is, if you have seen my other videos from inside, you wouldn't be able to say which one is which one. Okay, so you could replace the whole side plate. Can you replace the spool? I don't now directly remember without having a look that, because there are different kinds of, so let's take this 5000 record as an example. Some have only the center of the spool gray. The very early models have the whole spool gray. I don't have any of those, but I don't now remember that is the spool of these, is it same than this? So in theory, you might also replace the spool. Or to be even more, somehow, what is the worst case? You could only replace the side plate. I mean, what you need to keep. You need to keep this side plate and the handle, and you could basically take everything else or have a good condition. So I don't say that you should do it, because that would be cheating, but if for whatever reason you would want to do it, you could take a perfect condition early 60s Abu Ambassador. Just take this side plate, just take the handle and replace here, and then that's it. Except, well, I think that you can even see how much color difference there is in the, I think that this is just not really big in the color difference. So even the handle, actually I think that this is showing it quite well. So it really is very almost like purple, and this is very much red. And unfortunately, I'm sure that many do these kind of things. Or the reels are repainted or whatever. But coming back to the original topic, it would be nice to be able to do a restoration and fix this handle. It would be nice to do. Although this is also from 60s, so more than 60-year-old reel, but well, really yes. Sorry if this is, I don't know what this camera is doing. But let me know your thoughts about this topic. Of course, always the best is not to do anything, but it would be nicer to have a Record 6000 with a, let's say, proper handle.